God bless you, family of God. I'm inviting family and friends out there and all well wishers to our February edition of our Deliverance Restoration Service 2021. This, by the grace of God, will kick off February 25th, 26th, and 27th, 2021 from 10 a.m. And the theme for this deliverance is crumbling witchcraft, evil altars, and shrines. We want to attend this deliverance and through the power of God to crumble all wicked ancient altars and strange shrines that have buried many families' glories and destinies. Come one, come all, and come fast.
In the name of Jesus, you arrows of educational slavery, fired into our lives. I really want to thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. I really want to thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you.